Thank you, Sonu. Thank you, Tarak. And Salim Arif ji, can you please join them on stage? Thank you so much. You were wonderful tonight. And we'd like to unveil the album as well. It's called Karwan-e-Ghazal. You just heard the 9 songs from it, one of which is with Sonu. Subarna. Sonu ji, you are officially releasing.
I would like to say something here before we do this. First of all, I would like to thank all of you, and especially my dear friends, and I would like to thank Sanjay Khan Sahab, Zaleen. You know, he is receiving the Lifetime Achievement and he made it a point to come here. Thank you very much. Thank you. And all of you who have made it here in this time and age, I really thank all of you. I would like to thank Atul. I would like to thank him because he's been instrumental in getting this album off the board.
But you've been vocal about it.
All right. And I would like to say that this was a surprise. Sonu didn't know this. I said I would like him to release the album because he's been such a part of the whole thing. I think it's absolutely perfect that he releases this album of mine.
And since this is the work of...
Once again.
Please.
Before first of all, I don't think I deserve this honor because Talat ji is someone जो पूरी हमारी generation है, one whole generation that I belong to has looked up to Talat ji, and now the generation next that's coming is also looking up to Talat ji. I want to tell you, sir, a very important incident. I think I told you once, but I want to share it over here. I was in school, I think I was in 7th standard or 8th standard, and there was a program on television coming, Baaton Baaton Mein. Vipin Handa was interviewing you, and you obviously the good-looking dude that you still are. I mean, the deceptive ghazal singer. So he was being interviewed, and he was obviously in a very dignified way, as he is always, answering the questions, and I was doing my homework on the table. And my dad, of course, my parents are the one because of whom I am in music today and who have enlightened me. So my dad didn't like the fact that such a renowned artist is being interviewed on television, and my son is doing homework and not even. But I was paying attention, but I was not really. It was maybe gross insult to a singing icon on the television. I was not paying attention that much to what he was saying. My dad very strictly said, ऐसे करेगा तो कभी जिंदगी में सिंगर नहीं बन सकता. अगर तू सामने टीवी पर जो है, अगर बहुत ऐसे बड़े-बड़े लोग अगर बैठे हैं और तू उनकी बातें ना सुन पाए, तो तू ऐसे ही 2 कौड़ी का सिंगर रहेगा, तू सिंगर नहीं बन पाएगा. पापा ने मुझे अपने फादर स्टाइल में बोला. फादर स्टाइल मुझे बोलते हैं, फादर स्टाइल तो आपको पता है कैसे होता है. एंड वो बात मुझे बुरी नहीं लगी थी. वो बात मुझे लगा कि पापा ने सही बोला. मुझे अगर मुझसे बड़े हैं कोई टेलीविजन पे, तो आई शुड पे अटेंशन टू व्हाट दे स्पीकिंग बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू बी इन फ्यूचर. एंड आई वांट टू टेल यू सर that this is such an honor, and I'm so happy that my dad is sitting in front of me, and he'll be at least, you know, I'm so, that's my father. In his own mild way, I hope, because आपने मुझे जो सबक सिखाया था, today Talat ji keeps teaching me so many other things, and thanks to you and thanks to Talat ji. That's why I'm saying I'm too small for this honor, but if you want me to do this, then I want to do something to you first.
ये बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा कि ज़िंदगी फुल सर्कल है, और ये आज उस मकाम तक पहुँचे कि जो कभी कभी हम देखते थे और सोचते थे, और हम ये दुआ करते हैं कि उस मकाम से भी और भी आगे जाए.
ये हमारी दुआ है.
And since this is a collaborative effort, we'd like to also invite Mr. Jeetu from GBN Entertainment and our media partners, Bright Outdoor Media. Where is Yogesh ji?
Yogesh ji, please आइए.